Good afternoon, Libra. It is a rainy, cold, misty day, and the fog keeps rolling in. It's not very good to drive in this. Plus, people don't pay attention to where they're going. The High Priestess. Nice. Eight of Wands. Eight of Wands. Look at the cat's winking. Like, you got it, babe. Six of Swords. Don't want to fight, but if you have to, you're gonna have to. Make sure you can see this. Okay. Today feels like a good day to take a nap. I kid you not. Let's get some activations on here. Gaia. Wow. Number 28. The frequency of Gaia reminds us that we are infinitely connected to one another, just as we are to our great mother and to the great universe that birthed us all. Divine Masculine. The frequency of the Divine Masculine supports our strong, focused, and active side, allowing it to express itself while helping us to bring our dreams and ideas into form with kindness and wisdom. Masculine. Yes, everyone has a masculine and feminine side. Remembrance. The frequency of remembrance supports our memory of everything that we have gone through as a soul and body, providing us with valuable information and tools to flow gracefully with and in this lifetime. Gaia's 28, Divine Masculine 22, Remembrance 38. Let's get some love and light on this situation. So yeah, sorry, the High Priestess. You are vibing high to your own tune. Eight of Wands. Everything's coming together. Six of Swords, though, it's getting a little rocky. It's almost like those trees are people, like, I guess I'm going to say plotting against you. It's kind of why you're hiding behind these leaves, just in case somebody does something funny. No funny business. You'll know. You're in tune with people's energies and auras. All right, love and light. Connecting with living water. The sea belongs to him, for he made it. His hands formed the dry land too. The gift of love and light. No one lights a lamp and then covers it with a bowl or hides it under a bed, A lamp is placed on a stand where its light can be seen by all who enter the house. Shine that light, Libra. Focus on your blessings. Yes, you will be enriched in every way so that you can always be generous. You got a little extra? Share. It'll come back tenfold to you. Don't hold on to things too tightly. You can't take it with you. You can't take it with you. Power of joy. Maitreya. That's the Buddha and the rainbow. He's holding up the rainbow. Purification. White Tara. Purify your surroundings. Get rid of the gunk. Open your heart to love. Jesus. Amen. Never seen that card before. That's beautiful. I probably should have done these right after the cat tarot, but I didn't. So I'm going to do them now. We're going to Alice in Wonderland. Changed in the night. You have changed quickly. Almost like an overnight transformation. Who in the world are you? Getting to know the new you. Look, so you changed overnight and now you're getting comfortable with your new you. Follow the white rabbit. Curiosity meets opportunity. You're curious about something? Go down that path because there's an opportunity waiting for you there. And last but not least, I'm going to pull from Soul Connections, When Two Hearts Meet. Yin and yang. There you go. Like the yin-yang symbol, twin flames contain an aspect of each other's character within themselves. So you share the same traits. Obstacles. Look for ways around the obstacles to find happiness. Telepathic. Close soul connections are harmoniously synchronized, creating moments of telepathic communication. Look at that. You don't even have to talk. You can read each other's mind. Very nice, very nice. I hope you're having a great day, and I'll check back in with you maybe later tonight. But if not, definitely tomorrow. See you guys.